Hello everyone, welcome to Maria Daily English.
I'm so happy you're here with us today. I am John.
And I am Maria.
Today we are fixing a very common mistake, mixing up did and done.
Yes. Many learners say I did my homework already or have you did it, which sounds incorrect to native ears.
So, what is the simple rule?
Here it is. Diddy is a helper verb for the past simple tense. Done is the past participle of a do, and it always needs a helper like a have, a has, or a had.
Okay, let's start with did. When do we use it?
We use a did to make questions or negative sentences in the past. For example, did you clean your room? Or I didn't eat breakfast. Notice that after a did or a didn't, we use the base form of the verb. Did you go? Not did you went?
Got it. Did stands alone as a helper. Now, what about done?
Done is the result of a do. But you can never use it alone. You must say I have done, I has done, or I had done. For example, I have done my chores. She has done a great job.
So if I see have, has, or had, I must use done.
Exactly. Never say I have did it. Always I have done it. Think of a done as needing a partner. It can't walk alone.
Let's test this. Sentence 1, ____, you finished the project yesterday.
Yesterday means past simple. So we use a did. Correct. Did you finish the project yesterday?
Sentence 2, I have ____ all my work.
Have is present. So we need the past participle. Correct. I have done all my work.
Sentence 3, did you ____ the laundry?
After a did, we use the base verb. So, did you do the laundry? Not did you done?
Are tricky. So, did takes the base verb do. Have takes the past participle done.
Perfect. Let's try a natural conversation. Maria, have you done the shopping yet?
Yes, I have done it. I did it this morning.
Great. Did you buy milk?
Oh no. I forgot. I haven't done that part yet.
That's okay. I can do it later. Did you check the list?
Yes, I did check it, but I missed the milk. Sorry.
No problem. See how we used both? Have done, present perfect. I did it, past simple action. I haven't done, negative present perfect. Did you check, past simple question.
Quick review. Use did for past simple questions, negatives, followed by base verb. Use done with have, has, had for completed actions.
Memory trick. Did equals alone, helper. Done equals needs a partner, have you has a had.
Common mistakes to avoid: don't say, have you did it? Say, have you done it? Don't say, did you done it? Say, did you do it?
Practice tip. When writing, check if you have a helper verb. If yes, have has had, use done. If no, just past time, use did plus base verb.
If this lesson helped you, please like this video, subscribe to Maria Daily English, and share it with a friend who mixes these up.
And practice time. In the comments, write one sentence with a did and one with a have a has a had done. We'll read and correct every single comment.
Keep practicing, stay consistent, and remember, small fixes lead to big improvements.
Thank you for learning with us today. See you in the next lesson.
Bye everyone. Keep speaking.